What's up you guys? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you 3 simple tips on using the GoPro MAX to get shots like this. Oh, the curve is coming! Woohoo! Whoa! No! No! So, a lot of you have been asking me, how do you get that invisible selfie stick with the GoPro MAX? Well, it's really simple. First of all, mount the GoPro MAX upright and align to the grip. Right? And the camera does the job for you by stitching itself out automatically. Well, that's because the GoPro MAX shoots 360 spherical video with its dual lens. And by mounting the camera upright and aligned to the grip, the camera will be able to stitch the grip out itself. Now, what you want to be sure of not to do is do not mount your camera like this. By mounting your camera like this, you are exposing the selfie stick in the video because it is outside of the stitch line. So always make sure that your GoPro MAX is upright and aligned to the grip. It's as simple as that. If you're enjoying what you're watching right now, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more of such review content. Damn, this is amazing. Tip number 2. How do you avoid having those annoying stitch lines in your video? Well, all you gotta do is to ensure that you have either of the lenses directed and focused onto your subject matter while recording. What do I mean by that? Say that I'm doing a selfie vlog, you know, I want to make sure that I have one lens pointed towards me. It doesn't matter if I'm holding my camera straight up or outright in front of me, so long as one lens is directed to me. Now, I do not want to be doing this, because by doing so, my face is within the stitch zone and that chops up my face, hence what you're seeing on screen right now. So the same concept as well applies to you mounting the camera on your body. Say that I want to do a helmet mount. I want to make sure that I am not doing this on my helmet. I see this on the internet all the time, and by doing so, you are chopping your head up. Instead, I want to prefer to be doing this, you know, having my camera mounted with an extender straight out of my helmet. And by doing so, it creates this amazing POV without having to chop up my face. So it is as simple as that. Try it out. So the last and final tip, please check and check and check and clean and clean and clean your lens. You know, it takes you less than 2 seconds to have a look and clean it. Even if it's not dirty, give it a clean before you press the record button. It's really that straightforward to get amazing footage. Of course, when you're not using it as well, be sure to put the lens cover back on to protect your GoPro MAX. I know I said 3 tips, but hey, you know, the last one, I have a lot of questions. You guys have been asking me what mount am I using, and this is the GoPro MAX grip. It's an amazing grip at 22 inches, about 56 centimeters, and that is actually the optimum distance outside of the stitch zone. Yeah, and at the bottom you have an amazing tripod as well. So this is really my go-to mount and SS mount for the GoPro MAX. And that's it for this week's video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you do, please stay subscribed to the channel, because in the coming weeks I will be doing a tutorial about how to edit your GoPro 360 footage on the GoPro app, and that, my friends, I don't think you want to miss. Until then, I will see you in the next upload. Bye! I love this. Oh my goodness. This is intense, you guys.